In this session of SpaceClaim course, we will talk about Facets tab of the software. The Facets tab in ANSYS SpaceClaim is a specialized toolkit designed to edit, repair, and manipulate faceted geometry, meshes made of triangles like STL files, rather than standard solid CAD bodies. Here we have an STL file of an exhaust manifold. These types of files are common when working with 3D scan data or models from 3D printing software. The Check Facets tool analyzes this triangle-based geometry to find errors that would prevent a successful simulation. After running the command on your model, it found several issues. Mesh is self-intersecting, indicates that some triangles are improperly folding or crashing into each other. Inconsistent triangle orientation means the software is confused about which side of a surface is inside versus outside. Finally, non-manifold vertex, or overconnected, points out physically impossible connections where multiple surfaces join at a single edge or point. The AutoFix tool is designed to resolve most of these errors automatically. AutoFix in the Facets tab is a one-click repair tool that automatically cleans common problems in STL faceted bodies, which are typically imported from 3D scanners or 3D printing workflows rather than from clean CAD. After you've run Check Facets and seen the errors, AutoFix uses the Fix options on the left to decide what to repair. With self-intersection enabled, it alters or removes triangles that pass through each other so the surface no longer intersects itself. With holes enabled, it detects open boundary loops and patches them to make the mesh watertight. With non-manifold enabled, it fixes impossible connections where more than two faces meet at one edge or vertex. And with foldovers enabled, it repairs very distorted or inverted triangles that are folded back over themselves. When you click the green check, SpaceClaim walks over the mesh and applies these automatic fixes in one pass. If the result is not acceptable, you can simply undo and retry with a different combination or finish the remaining areas using manual local repair tools. The Holes tool automatically searches your geometry for open gaps in the surface and then lets you patch them so the model becomes watertight. It scans the body, highlights all detected holes based on your settings, and then with one click, it fills those openings by creating new faces that follow the surrounding shape. It behaves like the other Find and Fix commands in the Repair tab. First, it finds problem regions for you. Then you confirm which ones to fix. And SpaceClaim does the actual healing of the geometry. In the real world, two solid objects cannot occupy the same space at the same time. For example, you cannot push your hand through a wall so that the molecules of your hand and the wall overlap. However, in computer models and STL files, triangles can mistakenly fold into each other or twist incorrectly. Why is this a problem? When you try to 3D print the model, the printer gets confused. Should I put material here or leave it empty? Because the walls have crossed into each other. What does the intersections tool do? This tool acts like an X-ray scanner for your model. It searches the entire geometry and highlights exactly where triangles have illegally passed through each other, self-intersection. These problem areas are marked in red or highlighted so you can clearly see where the errors are located, allowing you to fix them manually using tools like separate or delete to remove the bad triangles. You have a 3D scan model that is a bit noisy, meaning it has tiny unwanted spikes sticking out of it, like a cactus, or deep scratches digging into it. The Fix Sharps tool acts like a digital sandpaper or a trimmer. It finds these unnatural sharp spikes and flattens or smooths them out to make the surface regular. Why is this a problem? In CFD and FEA simulations, these tiny needles or sharp spikes create very poor quality mesh elements, highly skewed cells. This can cause your simulation to crash or give inaccurate results. In 3D printing, these spikes might be too thin to print correctly or could leave a rough surface. What does the tool do? It scans the mesh for angles that are too extreme and fixes them. Sharp edges, vertices. This allows you to define how sharp is too sharp by setting an angle threshold, e.g. 120 or 270 degrees. If a bump is sharper than this angle, the tool identifies it as an error to be fixed. Convexity. Convex looks for spikes sticking out, like a pimple or a mountain. Concave looks for spikes digging in, like a scratch or a valley. You simply click the complete checkmark, and SpaceClaim smooths these sharp areas automatically. The Overconnected tool detects a specific type of impossible geometry that occurs when more than two facets, triangles, share a single edge or vertex. In a real, physical solid object, every edge should only belong to exactly two faces, like a closed box where each edge connects two sides. When an edge is shared by three or more faces, the software cannot determine what is inside versus outside. And a 3D printer cannot physically build this structure because there is no valid volume beneath that shared point or edge. Imagine you have a complicated machine part made of many screws and plates, or a very dirty scan with lots of holes and noise. You want a simple, clean ghost or skin of the outside shape without all the internal mess. The Shrinkwrap tool does exactly that. It wraps a tight, new digital skin around your object, sealing all the gaps and ignoring the internal details. Explanation of options. Size. This is the resolution or pixel size of your new wrapper. A smaller number, for example 1 millimeter, gives you more detail but a heavier file. A larger number, like 10 millimeters, gives you a very rough, blocky shape. Keep original bodies. If checked, it keeps your old dirty model underneath. If unchecked, it deletes the old one and leaves only the new wrapper. Preserve features. Tries to keep sharp edges, like corners of a box, sharp instead of rounding them off like a melted candle. Secondary size angle threshold. These are advanced controls to make the wrapper smart, using smaller triangles in detailed curvy areas and bigger triangles in flat areas to save memory. I hope this video was useful for you. To benefit from Mr. CFD's services, including simulation, consultation, and training, visit our website and contact us via these addresses.